Welcome to multi-page PDF lecture. So in this lecture, we're going to answer two questions, which are how to save plots as a PDF and how to save multiple plots in one PDF. Okay, so we double click here. You can see I have an empty folder called Matplotlib, which we'll fill up as we go along. Okay, so I'm going back into the Jupyter Notebook. I'm going to import the Matplotlib and the NumPy modules, and then I'm going to have a for loop. So for page in range, let's just say 2, colon, and then we'll have fig equals plt dots figure, and then we'll have plt dots plots mp dot random dot randint 150 with just 10 values, and then we'll have color equal to R for red, B for blue, then index by page, and then LW equals 5 for line width, and then we'll have plt dot save fig with Python 3.6 version of formatting, c/users/your name/desktop, and then we'll have the Matplotlib empty folder, and then we'll have graph, and then we'll put in page, then .pdf, and then we'll have bb box inches equals height, and then dpi equals 300. Okay, so I'm just going to double click here so we can see the folder being filled up. And I'm just going to scroll down here, so I'm going to get the input inside our folder and the output inside our Jupyter Notebook here. So I'm going to run this. We'll get 2 of these graphs. Okay, so if I run this again, we'll get different lines. Alright, so you've got these 2 PDFs here. Now let's say, for instance, I wanted to have, instead of it being 2 separate PDFs, I want them in just one single PDF. Because let's say, for instance, we had a situation where instead of it being just simply 2 of these line graphs, what if we had 10 or 100? It wouldn't be very practical to have 100 saved PDF graphs, so it's more convenient to have them in one. Okay, so what we need to do is go back into the Jupyter Notebook here. I'm going to import, so from matplotlib.backend PDF import PDF pages as PDF. Okay, and then I'm going to have with PDF c/users, you have your name here, /desktop/ let's just do directly on the desktop itself. So I'm going to call this, say, MPL graphs.pdf. And we'll have as image, colon, we'll have for I in range, let's do 3. So we'll have 3 graphs here. Fig equals plt.figure, just like before, then plt.plot, mp.random.randint. We'll have 1, 50, and 12 this time. Then color equals, we need 3 this time because we have a range of 3. So we'll do B for blue, orange, and I'll do M for magenta. And we'll index by I. Line width equals 7, and then we'll have plt.title graph .format I, and then image.save fig bb box, just like before, inches equals height, and dpi equals 300, and then plt.show. Okay, so we just double click here, so we'll see it around this location. And I'm going to scroll down so we can see all 3 of the graphs being generated. Right, run this. Okay, so we've got our blue, our orange, and our magenta graphs. And I'll just take a look at the PDF. So we should have a total of 3 pages here. I'll just open this up in a second. Okay, so we've got one, so it's our blue one, and if I scroll down, so orange one, and then lastly, if I scroll down here, we have our magenta one. Okay, great. So that concludes my lecture on the multi-page PDF. I hope this has been insightful, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the Q&A. Thanks very much.